Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about SUI. What is SUI? What is it worth right now? Where can you buy it? What's going on in the ecosystem? And why am I personally bullish on SUI in the long term? And why do I happen to know that many seasoned, experienced crypto investors are also very, very bullish and optimistic on SUI? Okay, if this sounds good to you, please like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And let's get started. All right, so first thing is first. Let me share my screen. Actually, first, let's look at the chart. SUI is doing very good. It's at 144. This is the 1 year chart, okay, which pretty much I'm just showing you, like we're at the all-time high that we were last year, which maybe doesn't sound too good to you if you're new to crypto because you're like, it's doing the same as it did last year. No, but we went through a bear market, which is very normal in financial markets in general. It's bull market, bear market, bull, bear. It's down, up, very normal, okay? And the crypto market still follows traditional markets, okay? Very important to know. So this is actually very good news considering we're coming out of a bear market. So we have reached, we're pretty much even higher. We're at 151. It's gone up since we made this video. That's amazing. It's already pumping. I need to go buy some more. Okay, if we look at the last 7 days, super bullish. Some dips. Once again, don't be scared by this. This is so normal. But it goes up again. The last month, even more bullish. This is why everyone's bullish on it. This is where you can go buy it, okay? These are all the centralized exchanges. If you're American, well, first let me say, if you're American or not, the exchanges here I would recommend are Binance, and there's Binance US if you're American, OKX, okay, Coinbase, Bybit. The rest, at your own risk, okay? I don't know enough about them. I don't know enough people with good experiences with them either. But the ones I mentioned, I do. So that's why I share them with you. You can, unfortunately, they're only on centralized exchanges, not a DEX, as I covered in one of my previous videos. But let's go check out SUI, just information about the token, okay? This is the website. I'll spare you all the details. It is very techy, and that's because in crypto, there's infrastructure tokens that are all like the behind the scenes, what makes crypto, the crypto space work. It's like the internet. You don't have to know how the internet works. You just know if it's not working and if it's very slow. Same thing in crypto, Web3. There's infrastructure tokens, layer ones, you'll hear, layer twos. Then you have DeFi tokens, that in our case, the case of SUI, would be building on SUI because SUI is its own blockchain. That's why it says infrastructure on the screen, okay? And then you have meme tokens, which SUI actually has right now, which I'm going to share with you in a minute, and how to get involved. Here are some of the projects. See, we have Alibaba here, Alibaba Cloud, once again, because it's the infrastructure part that allows for transacting. There's some other big names too. But anyway, it's infrastructure, so you won't understand anything that you read here, but I'm just sharing it with you because it's a very interesting, very, very interesting crypto project. Let me hop over and just talk to you like a human for a second. Yes, so things that I love and many people love and respect about SUI. SUI means water in Japanese, by the way, for fluidity and speed, which it is those things. SUI actually resolves some of the main pain points that blockchains have encountered in the crypto space, right? Like Solana, like Ethereum. And that is what? It's slow, speed, security, because we're talking about money or data, right? Security and scalability. Like, okay, it's fast, okay, it's safe, but is it going to be able to keep up with the demand, right? These are the main issues. And SUI, with its own programmable language, its own language, its own program called Move, by the way, solves all of this. They have a completely own, unique, proprietary way of processing data on their blockchain. And it basically solves all of it. It's super fast, super secure, and super scalable because unlike other blockchains and other programmable languages, it allows for parallelization. Parallelization is the word, which means, as parallel means, like two, right? It allows for multiple transactions to happen simultaneously with speed, with security. And this allows for scalability. So it's a complete game changer in the crypto space. It's great for DeFi or decentralized finance dApps, decentralized apps, because that's what you want when you're running a financial application, right? You want to be able to send a bunch of transactions, but you want it to be safe, right? And that is what SUI solves for. Actually, a few more tidbits on them. The team of SUI is the original Facebook back in the day. Facebook's developer team that was building Libra. Remember, Facebook was going to have its own cryptocurrency. Yeah, when that fell apart, as you can see in this article, let me turn back. When Libra, the dream, died, you see here, the story of how the company's cryptocurrency dream died, Facebook, Libra. When Congress squashed it, where did the team go, you'd ask? Well, it was divided into SUI and another crypto blockchain called Aptos, which is also pretty hot right now, but like not many people are talking about it. Like people that know are talking about it, but the general public is not. And that is who are the founding team members of SUI. They come from Meta, or Facebook's original developer team. Isn't that amazing? Amazing. And I happen to know that some of the top, like the very top investors invested in them, the top VCs, which is a really good sign too, because they would not put their money and their reputation and their names behind a project that they didn't feel was going to do them good in the long run, you know, because once you get to that level, it's your reputation you're looking out for. Like your reputation is money. And they have an incredible investor, initial investors, which is a really good sign. And another thing I really love about them is they actually already created a mainnet, or brought a product. They brought a product to market. Something I respect about them personally is they brought, like, before they went asking for money, before they went fundraising, they already had a product. They had their mainnet. Isn't that amazing? Like, super respectable. And yeah, I mean, enough said, right? Amazing investors. They already had a product. The team comes from Facebook and Meta. It solves the main issues that blockchains have: speed, security, scalability. Like, what else could you ask for? Like, they have everything. And then you look at the chart, like, are you kidding me? Like, even the chart, like, we just reached new all-time highs. I'm not going to tell you to go buy right now, but I mean, am I going to? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yeah, amazing, huh? Okay, and then the next three articles, just quickly, just to paint a picture for you of what the market sentiment is like. Market sentiment is like, you know, the market's feeling. It's like an organism. Sometimes you get scared, right? All three articles in their own way, because they're all from three different technical analysts, they're all bullish. They're all saying that, for instance, in this article, that SUI already crossed its previous resistance of 144, which has now flipped into a new support level, which means that from here, the new bottom, the previous top is now the new bottom, and now it's gonna most likely go up with some corrections in between. So that's amazing. Next article, that was Coin Journal. The next one by the Blockchain Reporter talks about SUI and how it has gone up so much. It says that the price in the crypto, like SUI crypto price, right here, SUI's price has increased by 171%. Like, you would never see this in traditional stocks. This is unbelievable. From like 43 cents up to like $1.18, pretty much. Amazing. And that's despite regardless of what happens in the wider market. That's amazing. See, SUI crypto, one of the few cryptocurrencies projected to grow regardless of what happens in the crypto market. Amazing. And the last article I'm going to share with you is by CoinTurk News. Same thing. And I'm sharing this with you just to kind of make a point. Like, every technical analyst is going to be looking at different levels. This one in particular is looking at the resistance at 150. But saying that, yeah, I mean, pretty much they expect this to go up. You know, like to be the leg of like the next upward trend. Yeah, SUI's doing good. Very, very good. And then lastly, I'm just going to share, this is actually my partner, Kyle Chasse, founder and CEO at Master Ventures, now MV Global. Ignition, Paid Network, there's a bunch of other companies he's helping to create or incubate and bring to market that are real game changers. I will be covering them as well. They're pretty much projects that just help empower the everyday person to make money and to change their lives by making it very easy. Anyway, check it out. This is what's going on in SUI's ecosystem.
As at a point where I'm like super convinced, but it is, as of right now, clearly leading the meme coin on SUI, 3.4 million FDV. It's nothing. What you have to do is you have to go get SUI from a centralized exchange, and you have to download this wallet, SUIT, SUIET.app, send your SUI from the exchange to your wallet, go on Dex Screener over here, and you can trade HSUI for SUI, and then you can connect your wallet here, do the swap, and then you have your token. So imagine this will be much more volume, and the price will skyrocket once it starts getting some centralized exchange listings. Of course, do your own research. This is obviously super degenerative. Now, the last thing we're going to talk about, guys, is this one, SUI Kun. This is the #1 meme coin right now on SUI. Now, I don't see this as a
SUI Kun. Let's go find them. So you go to CoinGecko. So this is what he's saying, right? It's like the next hottest meme coin on SUI network. Back up a little bit. So if you go here, type in HSU, for some reason it shows up there. It'll take you here. It's HSUI. It's called SUI Kun, as you can see on the screen. And it's currently starting to pump. So yeah, crazy. It's a good time to buy. I mean, man, you may want it to go down a little bit. But anyway, this is what's popping. So watch it in the next few days. Let's see what happens. Amazing. Anyway, to participate, you'd have to go here, SUIET.app. I'll leave it in the description to download the wallet. Then, as you saw in the video, you'd have to already have some SUI in your exchange, whichever one you're using, Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, and then you'd have to transfer it to this wallet, and then you can buy some. So, I will make a video on this tomorrow. And yeah, just quickly, I wanted to define what type of investment you would consider this. And you would consider this a degen buy or trade, okay? And it's a degen trade. You'll hear this a lot in crypto, is because this is the actual definition, is a crypto degen is a cryptocurrency trader who frequently engages in highly speculative and risky trades. It's like gambling, okay? So you don't gamble with all your money. You gamble with what you're only willing to lose, okay? And this could become like, multiply it times 100, times 20, you know, that's how much you can make. Or it could go down to 0. So that's why it's a gamble. You gotta be careful. Anyway, the last bit of news I wanted to share with you is on some really good news I have to share with you. So I'm American, and I have not been able to participate like the rest of this whole degenerate space in so many crypto tokens because I'm not allowed on so many exchanges, and I just haven't, like, I don't live in the States, right? So it hasn't been easy for me to pass KYC with like Coinbase, because you need an address, you need all these things. I haven't had that. So, and I haven't felt comfortable doing it as an American because there's so many rules and taxes and all these things. And you can't escape taxes anyway, even if you don't live in the country. But it's just sometimes you can't get on a lot of these exchanges. Like I couldn't get on Bybit even if I wanted to, you know? But anyway, the good news is that I got my Palau citizenship. I will show you my new ID tomorrow, and I can officially now join like all of these centralized exchanges, which I will be doing first thing tomorrow. Anyway, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will be covering so much more in the days to come. I'm going to show you how to get some of this SUI meme coin, step by step. Also, I'll share with you how I got my Palau citizenship if you're American. Yeah, we're going to go into, I'll start showing you how to use these exchanges. We're going to cover Aptos as well, which is the long lost sister of SUI from the same Facebook Libra creator team. And we're going to go into so much more. GMX, just all the top best crypto projects. That's my commitment to you, as I wish someone would have told me when I started, and actually someone did tell me. So I guess I'm just paying it forward now. But anyway, that said, I hope you had a wonderful day, and I will catch you here tomorrow. All right, ciao.